Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa F8 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from this side over there, and that was because this water pump and the flow regulator that goes on top of the water pump need to be replaced. Once we replaced that, we also did a tune-up on this machine, which means we had to remove the entire top piece of the machine as well as the side panels in order for us to remove the brew group, clean the brew group, replace all the gaskets of it, and put it all back together. So that's what we did. We did the cleaning cycle as well as some descaling cycles on the machine, deep clean around here and there, and now it's ready to go. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, let's take the machine out. I'm gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Nice perfusion. Nice quantity, excellent flow, excellent crema on top of the espresso. Hot water, as you can see, is a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Looking excellent. And for the steam, we're gonna wait a little bit as the machine is to get up to temperature in order to produce steam. Once it gets to temperature, the machine is gonna tell us ready, and we can use the steamer to steam. Now the machine is ready. Use it. We do not have the gasket of the machine right now, but as you can see, it's coming out pretty good. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature. Excellent pressure. So there you have it, Jura Impressa F8 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and like the video.